We set off dynamite. That was the bait. Dynamite firework.
Wow, that's amazing.
And we were planning to shut off all the power in your house.
These are unreliable, Josh.
And we were going to shut off all the power in the house.
Get out of there.
You!
Sweet Tyler outside. You keep shining lights in my face. Okay.
Tyler, bring me my flashlight. It's in the shed. Tyler, I need my flashlight.
He's outside. Let somebody catch him.
Oh, I only have one shot left. Then I'm all out there for the free.
Tyler, where's your gun? Tyler, use your gun. Shawn, how do you think this battle is going?
I just need to get my half this. Thank you! Let's go!
Wait, doesn't have a clip.
Oh no, look at the gunshot. Mark, go get Shawn.
Grandma, shoot too high. Quick, ready? All distracted, you shoot her.
It's a triple door! See you, Surrender!
You want your present? Your present.
We got enough for Surrender.
Shawn, is it true that you'll never surrender?
That's what we said we would shoot our house so in the head before, so.
Shawn, don't you want to do presents?
Yes, but I want to defeat you more!
Shawn, is it true that you'd rather defeat Grandma more than open your own Christmas presents?
Let's go!
Fully loaded. Use them sparingly. Don't use them all at once. You know, I can't help it. I see a headshot if you're talking down below. Oh, watch out.
Almost out.
Are you serious?
Yeah, but I'm not yet.
We're getting too old for this, guys. It's time for presents. Thanks, Owen.
Are you surrendering?
We're having a piece.
No!
Shawn wants his present. I'm
No!
gonna take it back. It's worth a lot of
Oh,
money.
never
Accept on our
surrender!
turf.
I need you to surrender!
No, you don't need to surrender. We're just gonna have a peace treaty for Christmas
No!
presents.
Shawn, how do you feel the fight's going so far?
So far, okay, because we're stealing bullets, but just letting them shoot me in the back.
So your strategy is to let people shoot you in the back to steal your bullets?
Yep. Please! We set off our dynamite. That was the bait.
I was wondering.
Back and blue! See those guys? Thank you! Let's go!
Oh no, look at the gunshots.
Here's the window!
You want your present?
Here's the window!
Your present.
Here's the window!
Oh, watch out. But Shawn, don't you want to open your presents?
I want a beautiful.
Not for Grandma Sunday.
Not a
Pick any color.
We go to Jack.
Hi.
No, it's okay.